YouTube Creator Awards are our way of recognizing the amazing effort you put into your growing channel. We know you pour your heart and soul into your videos, so we're excited to celebrate you when you reach one of the Creator Award subscriber milestones. In this video, we'll walk you through eligibility criteria, how to redeem your award, info about shipping and delivery, and we'll answer some frequently asked questions. Let's start with eligibility criteria. To be eligible for a YouTube Creator Award, you need to meet certain guidelines. First, you need to pass a specific subscriber milestone: silver, gold, diamond, or red diamond. Silver is for reaching 100,000 subscribers. Gold is for 1 million subscribers. Diamond is 10 million subscribers, and red diamond is for 100 million subscribers. Note that once you hit a subscriber milestone, YouTube will review your channel to make sure it meets all eligibility criteria before an award can be issued. So if you just reached a subscriber milestone and haven't received a notification yet, your channel's eligibility for a Creator Award is likely still under review. Note that YouTube Creator Awards are given at YouTube's discretion, and our reviews can take up to 10 days. Your channel does need to be in an eligible country and meet the following guidelines. Your channel is active with uploads within the last 6 months. You haven't received a community guidelines violation in the last 365 days. You're in compliance with YouTube's terms of service. You haven't been suspended from the YouTube Partner Program. Your channel isn't terminated or linked to an account that has been terminated. You don't have content that is deceptive, spammy, or a scam. And your main content is original. Your channel might not be eligible for a Creator Award if it focuses on compilations, mixes, curation, or heavy use of someone else's copyrighted content or characters. Now let's walk through how to redeem your Creator Award. Once you've met our award criteria, we will send you a redemption code via email and as a banner notification in YouTube Studio. To redeem your award, copy the redemption code from the email or YouTube Studio notification. Once you have it ready, go to the YouTube Creator Awards redemption website at societyawards.com/YouTube Awards and enter your code. Here you'll need to specify how you want your channel name to appear on the award and enter your shipping info. Then select Place Order to finish redeeming your award. Note that if you're based in Brazil or India, you'll be asked for extra info like a tax ID when redeeming your award, because this info is required by the relevant customs offices. Now that you've redeemed your award, let's go through how shipping and delivery works. After redeeming your award, you'll automatically get an order confirmation email. If you don't see an order confirmation email within 5 minutes of placing your order, be sure to check your spam folder. After you redeem your award, we'll deliver it to you within about 2 to 3 weeks. You'll get a shipment confirmation email when your award ships, which you can use to confirm the status and delivery date of your award. To make sure your award gets to you on time, here are some things to keep in mind. Don't forget to use your full legal name when submitting shipping info. This helps in case you have to pick it up from a customs or delivery office. You're responsible to pay any customs duties or taxes that are required in certain locations. You'll also get an email directly from the delivery company with a tracking number once your award has shipped. Note that you're responsible for replying to any contact attempts made by a delivery company that requests more documentation or info from you. This may help your award pass through customs or be delivered to you. If you don't get back to the delivery company, your Creator Award may be returned or lost. In these cases, you may have to purchase a replacement if you want to get your Creator Award. Now let's walk through what to do if you've misplaced your redemption code or you want to check your eligibility for a Creator Award. To check if you're eligible or to retrieve your redemption code, go to our self-service support page in the YouTube Help Center called Get a YouTube Creator Award. Here you'll need to sign in and confirm the account associated with your channel, confirm that you understand the eligibility criteria, and enter your channel URL. From there, we'll let you know if you're not yet eligible or if you are, but we're still reviewing your channel. If you are eligible and your channel has already been reviewed, you'll be provided with your redemption code and the option to redeem your award. Finally, let's go through some frequently asked questions about Creator Awards. I already have a Creator Award. Can I purchase more? While one award is given per channel per milestone at no charge, you or your team can buy more awards. To do so, reach out to YouTube Creator at societyawards.com using the email associated with your YouTube channel. Your channel and award level may be reviewed again before more awards can be purchased. My Creator Award arrived, but it was damaged. Can you replace it? Creator Awards are handmade and may be subject to minor imperfections and inconsistencies that are the normal result of the manufacturing process. YouTube is not responsible for these minor flaws, nor for awards that get minor damage during the shipping process. If your award arrives with significant damage, get in touch with Society Awards. They will do their best to help find a solution. I redeemed my Creator Award. Why haven't I gotten it yet? Remember that delivery takes about 2 to 3 weeks. If your Creator Award hasn't been delivered yet, first check the following. Check the shipping status using the tracking number emailed to you and your shipping confirmation email from the delivery company, and complete all requested documentation. And get in touch with the delivery company to see if any further